This better not be blended up meat.
This is some of the best stuff we've had on GJ, I feel like.
It makes me want to murder something.
Welcome back to Cheat Day, Keto Edition. It's Hot Girl
Winter.
So I'm here with Drew for our maiden voyage!
Very excited. It's our first time doing this together.
What do you know about keto?
I know nothing about keto other than it rhymes with Meato. Vito.
Meato. Meato's very appropriate. Not Cheetos, unfortunately. What kind of, there's cheese. It's cheese, it's meat, it's fat, it's protein. It's Cheat Day, baby. Let's do it.
My God,
What is this?
Is that lasagna? I don't think I understand what keto is.
There's basically no carbohydrates. So a big thing about keto food is trying to figure out how to make carby things like pasta with no carbs.
Substitutions, basically.
Yes, but the substitutions are always sort of ghoulish because they all involve meat and cheese. Like, how else are you gonna do it?
But cheese counts as a carb, right?
Is butter a carb?
No.
Cheese is not a carb?
Cheese is mostly fat and a little bit of protein. I wouldn't expect lasagna to be a keto food. It's a good candidate for a conversion, I guess, because there's a lot of meat in lasagna. But lasagna is mostly, you get tons of carbohydrates from the pasta, obviously.
Right, it's hella carby.
It's not a very keto-friendly food. It
looks like real lasagna to me.
It appears as though they've replaced the
the pasta
with meat.
Are you kidding me? The pasta is no.
Right,
no.
so...
I don't think I'm gonna like keto stuff.
Really? Are you not like a meat and cheese person?
No, not really. I like fish.
Well, it's gonna be interesting.
Why would they do that though?
Cheers. It's very good. This is very, very good. It's very satisfying. Very good. How do you feel about this?
Okay, I'm still going through it. It's very meaty.
Oh yeah.
It's not nasty. It's good. I think if you were a meat eater, this is where it's at.
Oh yeah.
This is dense. It's just a lot. You're gonna get full after 5 bites.
Well, which is part of why keto
that's
is so,
part of keto.
Yeah, because fat is so,
lose weight.
Protein and carbohydrates have about, I think 4 calories per gram, and fat has 9 calories per gram. It's just a more dense fuel source, and it tends to fill you up very quickly.
I am so fascinated by the fact that you know so much about keto. It's actually very impressive.
I think curiosity is a virtue, and life is very exciting.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh.
I feel like if there is meat in this, I don't know if I can do it. This better not be blended up meat. It's a chocolate protein shake. I can do this.
Yeah.
What
Sounds
makes
good.
this keto?
I have no idea. I don't know what they're doing. Wow, it just stands up in there. Jeez Louise.
Mine does it.
Holy smokes.
Oh, it does. It's thick. I feel like we should
Cheers.
cross it. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. I hate it. I hate it.
I want to be positive. No, it's not good.
It tastes like dirty water, and it feels like there's dirt in it, particles.
It's a texture thing that's a problem for me.
Is it slimy to you?
Oh yeah.
What is that?
It's like booger juice.
You didn't have to use that.
It's like booger juice. That's what it feels like. It feels like snotty. I don't like it.
All those words. Why do you keep drinking it? It's really gross.
Oh, it's growing on me.
No. Chia seeds?
It's chia. Oh, it's growing on me.
But see, there's a little slimer right there. What is that? A little slimy?
It's chia, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, I think it's chia.
Really?
Yeah, because chia turns into that goopy. Oh, you know what? This is growing on me. You just gotta mix it up, and you gotta get used to it. I think the first hit was a little bit unexpected, you know?
I'll stir it up a little bit.
But egg drop soup's like that too, and then it's really good.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Wait,
how the hell are they making biscuit dough out of,
It's a lot of meat, Jarrett. I don't think keto's for me.
The fact that we're getting anything bready at all in a keto thing is wild, because bread is straight up just carbohydrates. That's all it is. It's flour and water usually.
So what do you think this is?
I have no idea, and I'm very intrigued.
See, that's the only thing that messes me up with these specialty type diets, because it's you're probably better off just eating what it originally is, and don't try to do all these substitutions. Vegans, what you're making cheese out of, it's just don't eat cheese.
I think the best advice I've ever read about food was the Omnivore's Michael Pollan said, just eat real food, not too much.
Right. That's it.
And I think that's good.
What is it? It smells good, whatever it is.
This smells really good.
You ready?
Yes.
Put it in your mouth.
Mmm. That's so good. Wow.
Keto's not for me.
This is some of the best stuff we've had on GJ, I feel like. What, this?
Oh, don't do it. It's my biggest pet peeve.
Is it really?
Keep it away from your face. No.
Why?
Dude, I
Why
don't know.
that? I'm not gonna do it again. I won't
It like
know.
makes me want to like murder something.
Is it the smacking sound or
It's
the finger?
noise. It's like the combination of it all. You know how like some people have like those things are just really triggering? That's mine. Don't do it again.
I'm not gonna do it again. I'm just thinking about why.
Nutella pie.
whoa.
Wait a minute. I freaking love Nutella.
Wait a minute.
Finally, I think this is something that I'm gonna really like.
That's thick. Wow. Oh wow. You were like working in there.
It's thick, man. I'm
This
taking
is
over.
keto?
I don't. How can this be keto? Because it's like, isn't it supposed to be a lack of sugar? Nutella is just filled with sugar.
Thank you. Oh, beautiful. It's very like what, hazelnuts? Hazelnuts is
I
Nutella.
love hazelnuts.
Well, my grandma calls them filberts.
Why?
Because they're also called filberts, and she's from Minnesota, and I guess that's what they call them,
cute.
filberts.
Filberts.
That's like arugula is also called rocket. How do we call it arugula? Rocket.
Really?
Is like,
Rocket
yeah,
sounds way
way better.
I feel like this is gonna. Oh no, this is not normal Nutella. It has like nuts in it.
That is normal Nutella.
No,
well, it's
but
not
like
normal
not
Nutella.
cream. This is gonna be like healthy Nutella. Ew. What the heck, you guys? Just go big or go. Like, if you want healthy Nutella, just don't eat Nutella. Don't make these substitutions for it. This is gonna be weird.
Just do the normal thing or don't do it at all.
I mean, the way that my fork went into it, it didn't feel right.
Attitude.
I'm sorry.
Attitude and gratitude, personally.
I'm really happy about this thing. Oh. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I am not mad. It tastes like Ferrero Rocher.
Yes, it does.
I love Ferrero Rocher. It's just the consistency that's weird. Other than that, it tastes really good.
Oh, this is so good.
I thought it was gonna be nasty, and it's not nasty at all. It's actually pretty good.
Wow, I think we've really like learned something here today.
I've learned so much today.
You know, you gotta give.
I don't know how much you learned from me, but I learned a lot from you.
Well, I've learned that people can change,
People can change.
and I've learned that you can go into something thinking one thing, and then come out the other side a changed person. Italian hoagie biscuit sounds like something like your friend whose mom always makes good snacks would like bring down to the basement for you in high school.
I like the word hoagie.
Yeah, I made Italian hoagie biscuits.
Yes! I miss when my mom would bring me snacks. No one brings me snacks anymore. Just Postmate. What other kind of meats? I see. I'm assuming it's bacon.
It looks like, yeah. Well, they're Italian, so maybe there's some Italian meats.
Like pepperoni?
Prosciutto.
I hope it's pepperoni. Pepperoni is the one meat other than fish that I like F with hard.
All right,
Just want to
cheers.
go in.
Yeah.
What's that? What is that? Is it fruit? That's a lot.
It's a lot, but I like it.
Like even you can admit that that's like.
Well, I'll admit it. I'll admit it.
It's like it like just envelops everything.
Yeah, just like
immediately.
Symphony. Not like a symphony, more like an ohm. You ever been to yoga class and everyone goes like, oh.
That's a
And it's just very like,
way to describe it.
That's what it's like.
No, like that's like it's before you even swallow it, it's like I'm full.
Can people say like you are what you eat? This is the most bro science version of it. I just always picture like if I eat like cake and like cereal, I feel like I'm a nice person in society and I just like walk around and civilized and stuff like that. But I think like if you were in like the jungle and you were like living wild and you're like running and chasing animals and like competing with other wolves for food and stuff like that, you would just be like sinew and you would just be like bone. You'd be like. And then you'd be like, oh, I gotta eat something this morning, but I don't have that much left. I'm just gonna eat a little piece of this like heart from the last bison.
You wouldn't eat anything for
and
the
then
rest
you
of
would
the
just
day.
run around looking for another bird or something.
I mean, I feel like cavemen were very keto because what was there available?
Very
it was all
keto.
meat. That was it.
Well, that is one of the arguments behind the keto caveman thing, is they say that for like hundreds of thousands of years, our human bodies only ate this kind of stuff. And agriculture's only been around for about 10,000 years, and that's like where you get cereal and beans and all those things. And so they say like our bodies really adapted to mostly eat that, like fat and protein. And it's still like in evolutionary terms pretty new to eat, you know, Cheerios. Cookie pizza!
This looks very promising. It looks like a big pancake.
Yeah, it does. I don't know. Looks cute.
It
Very,
just-
very patriotic looking.
It all has like this like nutty, crumbly
It's probably
consistency.
almond flour or some kind of nut flour. Maybe an almond mixed with coconut and a mix of other things.
I love blueberries.
I love bloobs.
Blueberries is probably my go-to snack.
I'm a bloob man myself.
You know what? I feel like we should just pick it up.
Oh, crumble. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Cookie pizza.
Okay, you ready?
Keto cookie pizza.
1, 2, 1. Whatever's on it. Whatever the white stuff is tastes like frosting. That was good. The cookie part, I like the cookie part. You like the cookie part?
Yeah, it tastes like Oreo.
No, it doesn't. It tastes like fake Oreo. It doesn't taste sweet at all.
I feel like all the ground we made with the Nutella substitute, you're like, no!
I'm trying. It just tastes like ground dirt to me. I don't like that. I want my cookies to like make my stomach hurt.
What do you mean?
Like super sugary, super buttery.
Oh, I like that.
Don't call it a cookie. It's not a cookie.
I disagree. I think this is actually very much a cookie.
Well, what makes a cookie a cookie?
Ooh, damn.
You know?
Yeah, what do you think? I have no idea.
I feel like it has to be a decadent, satisfying dessert.
I think this is pretty sweet.
I think you're tasting the stuff on top because the cookie itself, break off a piece of that right there.
Is the icing not part of the cookie?
No, not technically. Like I said, the icing is bomb. The icing and the fruit is good, but the cookie itself.
Okay, if you get those, you know those things they have at the grocery store, like the cake cookies?
For you.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
What are they?
The things at the grocery store cookies that are like just the like little things that always have that crazy frosting.
Yeah, those are so good. Those are filled with sugar.
Is that frosting not part of that cookie?
You're right.
Oh, thank you!
You're right. Okay,
my case.
I want you to taste the base of this cookie.
I will, but
tell me the truth. Is that good?
it is good.
You like it? No, come on.
But I understand what you're trying to get me to say. Is that it's dry and there's nothing sweet.
There's no
nothing
taste.
flavorful.
It's the stuff on top, which is fair. That is part of the cookie
I
experience.
think, oh, fine. We'll settle on that.
It's just
A compromise.
But I do like your positivity. It's inspiring. Well, now that I've thoroughly offended every keto person out there,
But I think soundly defended all the people who are not keto, so
I feel like that's more people than not keto. So I feel like I should I should be a keto ally. I'll say this. I support you all out there. I think everyone can make their own food choices. And if you made this one, good for you. It's just not for me, that's all.
One choice that you should definitely make, no matter who you are, is to subscribe.
1000%.
And to hit the button that is the bell that lets you know when these shows come on. And tell us in the comments below.
Do you like keto? What? Why did we say the same? Okay, you guys, now that we put things in our mouths, you should click over here to see more people put things in their mouths as well. One big mouth-eating party.
What else are you eating as well?
Okay.